Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a bright smile. Yes, today you are going to learn something which will save our Mother Earth, which is a small step towards saving our environment. So, yes, with a joyful smile, we will learn it. Okay. And here I want to show, see what we are going to learn. Let's understand. This, you can see this planter. है ना? So this planter, you can see I placed two very small Buddha Jis. Now, in this kind of planters, these days, like it is very trendy to make some plant accessories. है ना? So we simply can place some butterflies, we can place some other elements, and these accessories only we are going to learn today in our class using waste toothbrushes. Okay, and while you're using toothbrushes, I will share this very soon. So with a bright smile, and hopefully you all would be having your material ready. So we will reuse it, and we can use each and every discarded toothbrush of at home, and we can convert it in a beautiful plant accessory as I'm teaching you today. The method is very simple, and you will see something very trendy. And plant accessories are quite expensive in market, but with a simple material, we are going to use magic clay. But if you want to make your handmade clay, then please visit my YouTube channel. There one method of making handmade clay. I covered up one artwork long back of Lord Ganesha's image. So eco-friendly Lord Ganesha with handmade clay. So that method of making handmade clay is also available. Okay. Today we will be using magic clay. So chalo, let's get started. So here I will give you view of the material I have. Now, these are toothbrushes, and like every month we discard few toothbrushes, and we don't know what to do because even junk dealers they don't take it. है ना, कबाड़ी वाले भैया भी इसे लेते नहीं है ना, वो बोलते हैं टूथब्रश का क्या करना, तो what you can do, you can make eco bricks. Eco bricks, we simply take a waste bottle, and in that we put all waste plastic. So in that also you can put it. So what will happen? It will go in recycling and again will be reused. Otherwise, we can make plant accessories as I'm going to teach you today. Okay? So chalo, let's get started. I will give you a full view of it. And you know what? This kind of plastic, which nobody is taking, junk dealers, they don't prefer taking. So ultimately, what is happening? Okay, yeah, be ready with the material. Okay, so I will request all of you to simply uh, collect all the material. I'll take a pause of 2 minutes because students are still getting connected. So we'll take a pause of few minutes so that we all can do it together. Okay? So chalo, pause of 2 minutes. By the time you all collect your stuff and start making. Am I clearly audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me properly. Yes, thumbs up with smile. Yes. So 2 minutes we will wait. Okay, 2 minutes pause. Now I want to see your material. How many brushes you have today? Show me. And I'm more than happy that today what we are going to do, these brushes directly, indirectly, they reach to oceans and very, very harmful for aquatic life. So today we will reuse, repurpose it and will make something amazing. Is my voice clearly audible? Show your thumbs up. Is it low? It's clearly audible. Okay, so Purvika, please check your internet. If I'm not clearly audible to you, many times due to poor internet on your end, it happens. So please check your internet. And now we will start the work. Okay, ready? Are you ready to learn something amazing out of toothbrushes? And this kind of plant accessories you can make, and you can not only decorate your own home garden, but you can, for tray gardens, these are very amazing. You can make emojis, if you want to make smiley emojis, and eye blinking emojis. So using this tool, but because it is having a stand, you simply need to put it in your container. Like this is some your plant. So you will simply place it and it will be placed. So this is the way they are very comfortable to use. So chalo, let's get started. We will start with the simplest first. Okay. For this, I will use this toothbrush, and let's start with the one that is for frog. I want to show that a frog is sitting in my garden, and you can make a mama frog, baby frogs, multiple frogs, and you can simply use all your brushes. Many times when you enjoy kulfi, so in kulfi we have this kind of stick. This is quite strong. Even these can be used. And now your discarded pens, like see, this pen is not working. So these pen, it's not working. So this can be used for making plant accessories. Although I'm going to cover up a pot using it. So this kind of old pen, of no use. So what meaningful you can make out of it. Soon we will learn one art or craft on this also. Okay? So chalo, now let's get started with green. So I want to make a frog. I'm going to use green color, but it's not at all compulsory that you will be also using the same. You can definitely try some other color. Frogs can be colorful also. So I will try to cover at least two accessories today. And I will definitely take one more class to cover up many more. So that you can learn so many different kind of accessories. In that, we will learn butterfly, we will learn corns, the complete whole corns. They are growing in my garden. So this kind of small clay things. And yes, you can definitely try your handmade clay also. Take it? So chalo, let's get started. So now here, what I'm going to do, I will be, yes, taking green color. So here I'm taking green as I want to make first accessory, that is a frog. Okay. So if you want to try some other color, yes, of course you can. And after this, we will take a toothbrush. Okay. If you don't have toothbrush, you can take your pen. And many times you have lots of ball pens and you don't know what to do with that. You can use them for making it. And whatever you have, which is little long and strong enough, could be used for making it. So we selected toothbrushes, and we will now get started with. Okay, so what the very first thing you will be doing, you will take green and a toothbrush and you will start preparing it. And I have a beautiful story behind. Our each artwork is having a lovely story behind. So what I'm going to do, I will divide this clay in uh, pieces. Like one is going to be face. Okay, one is going to be face. And I will be making legs. So I will make legs. This way, the available space could be used. This way, and what you will start doing, you will start making a circle. A circle you will start making. Okay? And I want to make eyes with white. So I have white clay also. So what I will do now, I will make this kind of bowl because the body which is going to be round, I want to place my toothbrush inside. And I want to place my toothbrush inside. So either you can place this ways or this ways, and you're going to give a body. Actually, you can make mushrooms also. So I'm going to make it round. So first you will make a flat this and kind of round shape you will be making. Okay. And for this, like your clay, which is quite soft and nice, try to make it like a lollipop. Now, what will happen? Your toothbrush has gone inside. Okay? And the shape you have, it is round. Okay? If you're, and you can simply press it so that it will be complete shape of lollipop. And we are learning the very first and a complete round. So nicely press it and make it nice. So what is now going to happen? Your toothbrush has gone inside and the smooth round shape you are having. Okay? Yeah. And slowly now on this we will make and we will simply assemble it in our plant and it will look as if a frog is sitting in our plant. Hai na? You can simply hide it some inside your branches and it will look as if a plant. So these plant accessories are very helpful. I will teach you many beautiful plant accessories using waste toothbrushes, waste pens, this kind of sticks. And we normally have this kind of lots of stuff available and we don't know how to use them. And so this will definitely help you. And we are going to use white also. So I will simply take white. Come on, all do this and make a shape of lollipop. Now, if you want to make it big, and if you want to make your eyes are also going to be quite big, round, bulky. So I will be taking 2 circles with this. And immediately after using, you will pack it nicely because they immediately get dry. Okay, na? Yes. So see, I will simply pack it immediately and I will make balls. Come on, first you make lollipop. So this kind of lollipop shape you will be making. Okay. And because of its this bristles, this what will happen? It will grip your clay, and your clay will be nicely stuck. It will not come out by the time. Okay. So this is a cute little round shape which I am going to make, and make sure from lower portion also it should be round. Nice round shape. Okay. Yeah. And yes, we will be making eyes. All of you do this. I want to see that lollipop which you will be preparing. And my first plant accessory, that is a frog, we will be making. Okay. And this kind of frog, like I'm using toothbrush because I want to make plant accessory. But if you simply want to make it with clay and you want to use it in your tree garden, like in my garden, Lord Buddha ji is sitting. So in your tree garden, you want to show pair of frog is sitting. So this kind of frog, which I will be making using some simple shapes, you can use for making your plant accessory also. And in tree gardens also, you can make this kind of structure. Okay, so nicely make it and I want to check it once. Will you please lift up files and show me, sorry, if not files, the lollipop is ready? Yeah. Okay. And see if you will make some patterns, like this is looking like egg kind of shape, na circle. So if you will make some patterns of flowers, some colorful patterns, so this itself is a plant accessory. You can make smileys using it. And you can simply make some cute little birds. Our next one is going to be little bird. And if we will have time, otherwise cat also, or I will teach. I will try to cover it up in our. And now you're going to make this kind of two circles using white. Okay, come on. Let's do it. And try to keep it quite big. They are not small. Big, big, bulky eyes we will be making. And we will try to make it this ways using clay. Okay, see. Both are of equal size. Yeah, and try to keep it equal and make it. Come on. So this kind of, you can make a ball out of it. You will nicely merge it. So what will happen? You will find this kind of cute little, you can make a ball, and a ball you will find easy. So try to make it like a ball. Okay. So for that, first mix your this very nicely and then try to do this. And remaining clay, many times you have bottles of colors, bottles of colors. The remaining clay you can pack inside so that it will be airtight and the bottles will be reused. So try to see that what ways you can reuse things. and save your money as well as save your environment, because simply throwing things, and it is somewhere affecting and creating heaps of garbage. So we need to be very much aware about. So see, these are two balls. One is little small, I will make it little big. So again, two circles. We will keep our object very simple so that very easily you will be able to make it. And this complete green we will be using. So today's story is about this frog, which was able to uh, be in water as well as on land. We all know that this is a special feature of frog. And I told you last time in material list also that be ready with your marker pens and sketch pens. So yes, now for making this eye, we are going to use a marker pen. Okay, if you feel like to put a bindi here in for showing eyes, you can take two bindis also. That will also look great. So let's try bindi also making eyes. Okay, so what I will be doing now, I will simply take bindis. You can color it black if you want. Otherwise, you can simply place it because it is having sticky power. So it will immediately get stuck, pasted. And you are going to make eyeball using bindis. And if you don't have bindis, because it was not mentioned in material list, take your black marker pen or sketch pen and simply make two circles. Okay? Two circles, yeah. Let's keep it very simple. And we try to keep the material list also very simple so that you will not have to rush for arranging for things, right? So see, I took bindis, but you can simply take your black color and make two dots. These are what? These are eyes. We are preparing eyes, okay? And by the time I will, you know, I am going to we will be preparing legs. So this frog wanted to was living in water also and outside also. And so what happened? This frog in our story is very wise and like very cooperative also. Was very helpful to everyone. Can I see your eyes? Huh? These are simply two circles with dots. Okay. Now one all of you have done. Yes. Now you're going to take your green color. You try to take the color which is of the matching of this. Take green. And now what you will do? See, or just first see how I'm doing. You will be taking this much portion and you're going to make it green. Okay. When you will move it repeatedly, you will find this kind of island. So you are going to use green for this. Now let's make it beautiful. And if you have permanent markers, you can. And this kind of, see, can you see? This ways you will show eyelid. And so we want to show eyes quite big and little upper portion I will use for showing eyelids. Okay. So chalo, let's complete it. And for this, I'm using brush pen. And I will simply make color the upper portion nicely. And it will be done. See, this is the method you will be completing. See, two eyes are ready and a small eyelid we made. And we will be making two drop shapes for making legs and two. And I will show all the shapes needed. Yes, so this complete packet which we open, and I will suggest that if you're opening one particular packet, try to use it completely because remaining one, always goes waste. So if you will use it completely, at least you will be able to use it as something. I normally what I do normally is suppose I'm opening one packet and I feel that as it is open now, it won't be able to survive for longer time. So I prepare some shapes. Like, see, this was blue clay and it was about to get dry. So I made some flowers and kept it so that I can use it somewhere whenever needed. So you can do this also. Okay. And now eyes are ready. Can I check your eyes? Please show. Yes. And if you feel that backside completely you want to cover green, you can. But if we will keep like this, then also it's okay. Very good. Perfect. So two eyes are ready. Again, these are two balls. We simply put a dot with black marker pen or bindi, whatever, and green color for showing upper eyelid. Now keep it on one side. Now we will take ball and we will give it a flat shape. It should be smaller than your ball. It's see this ways. It kind of drop kind of shape you will give. A ball you will press and drop kind of shape you will give. Okay? Yeah. This little pointed from here and two balls of this kind. See this is a few more things needed for making a first plant accessory and our beautiful frog will be ready. Okay? I will keep all brushes on another side and this one would be ready. I will place it in my plant. That's why I have my planter in my studio available today so that you can see how we are going to do. Okay? So this frog was capable of living at both the places and is very kind in our story. This creature is very kind, okay, and wanted to help out people living outside, inside. So one day, what happened? The water pond where it was living, that was a happy place where all fishes were extremely happy. Okay, yes, done. Can I check the work? Yes. Shabash. Now we will start with our lollipop. Okay, this shape, basic shape we have. What we will do, we will take our two legs. These are two legs, you know. So what you will do its pasting on both the sides. Okay. So you can simply make it flat and you can decide which part you want to keep in front. So you will simply place it this ways. I will show you how. Or I can make it little thin also. Okay, I can simply place it here. It's just to show like, see like this. Okay, it will look like this. It's half of the upper portion is left and half or lower portion. You can make it little more flat and you can simply place it on both the page. If your this clay is not having much sticky part, then you can take help of Fevicol also. Okay, so yes, you can take help of Fevicol, and with help of Fevicol, you will do its pasting. So chalo, let's get started with. And this leg, this circles which we made here, you will simply make the shape of legs, and we will do its pasting quickly. Okay, so here I will be making one and two. Okay, one, two. You can use any of the surface, and you're going to make legs. Okay, which will come your lower side, okay, this ways, and we will be doing. If you feel that you want to make legs, you are making some small kind of this, then you can do that ways also. Okay, yeah. So this ways you can simply cut the shape and make it smaller. When you will start placing it now, you will realize that no, little shape is little bigger. So accordingly, after placing, when you find it bigger, you can immediately make it small and you can arrange it. So now I will take help of Fevicol and I will place all the accessories nicely. Okay. And I will show you few artworks of our regular classes we do of pre-junior, junior, and senior batches, which will help you understand. Continuously, I'm getting messages like, ma'am, please show few artworks. And I will show. First, let's complete this. So see, these are two small, this kind of pieces that was looking very big. So I simply made it small like this. Okay. And I think little bit camera should be here. Okay. And I will simply take black and I will make this kind of lines to show legs. Okay, two lines. And now with help of Fevicol, you will do its pasting. But before that, one more thing you will do, if you want to keep this part in front. So with black only, you can make it smile. You are going to make just one simple smile. Okay, you will not go in much detailing. I will simply go for a smile. Okay, C shape. And after this, you will complete your accessories. All the attachments, like many of you are having clay in very good condition. So immediately it will get pasted. You will not have to put efforts for that. But in some cases, like in my case, like clay is quite old. So its sticky part is little bit like not active. I will simply use Fevicol. This side, Fevicol. This side, I will hold it for some time. And I will put Fevicol lower side. And I will show legs this ways. I will assemble and show you completely so that you can understand its way to assemble. Okay. Okay. And you will be having one lower side here, one this side, and it will take little time when you do pasting this ways. Little time it will take. We will give it enough time to do pasting of legs. Over. Okay. And after this, we will be doing pasting of eyes, which is the most beautiful part of our work. Okay. And here, as my clay was little old, so I'm taking little time to do its pasting. But otherwise, when your clay is quite fresh and new, it will hardly take much time to do its pasting. Okay. And last but not the least, eyes over, eyes over, beautifully. Okay. Come on, do its pasting this ways. For little time, I will have to hold it nicely. Okay. And this cute little frog for my garden will become ready. Okay. Chalo. I will hold it for little time so that the eyes could be nicely pasted. Okay. Yeah. And now, if you feel that you want to make some dots and spots over, so you can use your brown color or white dots if you want to put, you can. And you will wait for a little time so that all the features will get nicely stuck, pasted. And if your clay is very new, its sticky part is very good, then it will hardly take much time. Now you can take your brown color, yellow color, whatever you feel like to put, you can use that. Okay. And you can add some spots over body. You can make some tiny spots with marker pen, and a marker pen will be better. Yellow will also look good, so you can definitely try yellow also. Okay? Yeah. And this is a cute frog ready for your garden. Okay, I will give you the view of it. See, this white which is visible, it will get transparent. And this frog in my plant is looking great. It will take little time to get pasted and settled. I will keep it at one place so that the eye can nicely be pasted. And now we will start with the next one. I will keep my frog for drying so that it can nicely, uh, the eye can be nicely pasted. Okay? So when you are working on pasting part, you need to give little time on rest so that it can nicely get pasted with. Okay? So I will keep it for pasting and we will come on our next toothbrush and here we are going to learn one beautiful bird. Okay? Chalo, so let's get started with a beautiful bird. So chalo, let's get started with. So here what we will do, where can I check your frog? If your clay is very fresh, then you will hardly take much time for making this frog. Yes, this cute little frog is ready. You can use it as pencil top also. And on pencil as top, like we love to put some pencil tops. So your cute little frog is ready. You can make some big, some small frogs, and you can simply place it in your garden, and cute frogs will be ready. If you are making tray garden, aquatic water tray garden, then in that it is a beautiful object. Like here we use this toothbrush. You can simply show this frog on a small stone and you can keep it in your water tray garden. And you can simply place that stone and it will be pasted there. So yes, in so many ways you could do this. And my this frog I kept for drying. And by the time we will start with the next step, and that is we will start with the bird, with the simplest. I'm going to teach you very simple things today. Okay? So now next is going to be another paintbrush, sorry, not paintbrush, toothbrush, and you're going to open your pink this time. Okay, so open your pink, and now we will make one more. And this is very simple. Like now, see, this clay is in very good condition. And its sticky power is very powerful. So this kind of clay, you don't need to do pasting. Quickly, it will get settled. But many times what happen, if your few packets, they are of longer time and they lose its sticky power. You know, or once it is open, so they start getting dry. So that was in case of green, but this is very nice clay. You know, yes. So what I'm going to do now, I will decorate it with beautiful patterns. So first I will make a shape of bird. Come on, let's complete it. Complete a shape of bird. Cat could be made, smileys could be made, roses could be made, corns could be made, and fishes could be made, sunflowers could be made using for making plant accessory. You can use any color. And it's not like, but I'm going to make patterns over. So that's why I selected this color. And what I will do, I will simply open it, the method we know. And you will place it, you will cover it, and you will give it a shape. See, this way you will cover and you will give a shape of bird. I want to give a shape of bird. So I will be keeping little round this side. Now see, its sticky part is so good that it immediately got stuck. And I will simply keep it this way and will give a shape of it. If you have some feathers or some few things. Now see the middle portion, as here we were having paint, our brush, so it is little like round, you know. It will support our shape of bird and face. We will not go for very technical shape of it. We will keep it very simple like this. Okay. Yeah. And cute little. Now here the shape is completely yours in your own ways. Now, if you feel that you want to make it like little, and see beak, I was having green color available, so I'm going to make beak with green color. Okay, you can simply do its pasting this ways. So green beak, I did pasting. If you don't have clay, Tanishka, then you can do one thing. You can simply see how we are doing, and afterwards you can get it arranged, or you can make handmade clay, and you can do it. So see, this is the shape of it. I made it slightly pointed backside. Mouth part is quite blunt, and this is the way the shape. I think, yeah. This is the shape of our clay. I made beak, I made this shape, and many times like a dropper and the tip of eardrop that we can use, or some other thing, anything which you feel that can be used here can be used. So I simply use green. And now this bird is waiting for detailing. And for detailing, we will be using beautiful uh, here, if you feel that you want to make legs and all, although we are not going to make, let's do one thing. We have this green. Let's make some leaves. And let's show that a leaf is there and it is sitting on leaf. Another this greens, little green, which is left out of frog, it will be used. Okay. So I will make a leaf shape just to attach here so that it will look as if it is sitting on a leaf. Okay. So flowers could be made in tray, this accessories. And I will make a leaf. It is optional, it's not compulsory. Okay. And the patterns which you're going to make could be made on both the sides. And it's not like only one side, you can make it on both the sides. And after this, you will take your beautiful colors and you will make your patterns, lovely patterns. You know, if you feel you have few things which could be used here, like if you have feathers, you can put feathers. If you have some other things, you know, stones and few things which are washproof, you can use them. So it's completely what you have in your treasure box that can be used. I will keep it very simple, and I am going to use my uh, brush pen. If you have permanent marker pens, you can use them also for making it. Okay, so done. Can I check the work? I want to check the work first and then we will move ahead. Okay, yeah. So, very good, beautiful shape and different colors you used. According to the color you are using, you're going to put your things. Okay, yeah, like colors and patterns we will be making. It will be according to the color of your. Suppose your bird is of red color, then you will try some light colors. Okay, and if you will use your bird with like dark color, so what will happen? Light color, so you each color will look beautiful. So that's why I selected pink color, but You can try other colors also. You feel free to use the color but you have available. Okay, bright colors will add a pop-up beauty to your work. So yes, you can definitely use that. So chalo, now we will start with the detailing. So I will select my pink color. First, I want to make eyes. So you can make your black color. I will show with black. And I can make some patterns also with black. Okay, so if you feel that some patterns you want to make with black, you can add some patterns, beautiful patterns. And permanent markers, if you will use, that will be better because they are washproof. You know? Yes. So I'm going to make some lovely dots and simple patterns I will be making, which you can easily do, because the surface is not even, to make some random abstract patterns. Here you can use acrylic colors also, but we wanted to keep it very simple, so we didn't use that. Yellow will look great if you will add some beautiful lines over body, some diagonal lines over body that will add a look of fur. So I use deep yellow color for that. And for tail, I will be using orange for making my tail looking little more interesting. So I will make one and some diagonal shapes. Okay. And some dots in the end of the body, some beautiful triangle, circle, semicircle, whatever you feel like to add, you can. You are absolutely free with your imaginations here. Okay. And some beautiful colors for making flower. You can make on both the sides or you can make on one side which is facing outer portion. You can do it this way. Star kind of flower you can add. Okay. And some beautiful patterns for making leaves. I was having green, so I simply add it. This leaf is completely optional. And if you feel that you have some artificial leaves available and you want to assemble them, then of course you can do that also. Like this is artificial leaf and you want to somewhere put it here. So in your garden, you can definitely use it. And yes, my one more bird, which is chirping. And I want to show, okay, here and here. Can you see these two accessories in my garden? And Buddhaji, please sit properly so that, yeah. And see, my cute garden is having two more elements now. A cute little bird and a lovely frog and Buddhaji here. And now the tree garden is looking more, my cute little garden is looking more beautiful with these two elements. And this is our today's learning. I will place this plate here so that you can simply see that. Okay, so this is the way you can add more accessories. And these accessories, when you go to market and want to buy, they are quite expensive. But when you try it using waste material, and you can try many more creative things, and using your own creativity. See, okay. So this is all about today's raw work. And I want to know that how many of you, I want to see that how it turn up on yours. Can you please show how it's looking on yours? Yes, all of you, show me. Show me your beautiful bird. Wow. And you can keep it simple. If you have some bindis, you have some stones, you have some feathers, peacock feather you have, or if you are love to collect patterns, you can make detail, you can keep it simple. It's completely your choice what ways you want to make it. Okay? And place it in your garden, and your beautiful frog and your beautiful bird is ready. Pink, red, like they are looking better, like bright and pop up color it will add. Many times in your garden, you have leafy plant, green, green, green. So, your colorful accessories, they add a pop up colors in your garden. And it seems like some natural creatures are there. A frog is sitting there, a bird is chirping there, butterfly is there, and countless things could be made. And I will try to cover up many more using waste toothbrushes. You did really wonderful. And now I will request parents to be with us so that we can talk with the. Before this, I will show the artworks, because continuously I'm getting messages. Ma'am, please show artworks. So first, I will show the artworks of pre-junior batch. Pre-junior batch, we have students of 3.5 years old students are also there with us. But otherwise, 4 to 7 years old children are there with us. I will show a few artworks of pre-junior batch. So see, I will simply place my plant a little more backside, just a minute, so that we can have. Yes, so I will show the kind of artworks we cover up in our pre-junior batch. So see, we teach this kind of artworks. Your favorite cartoon characters, this is Elsa, and we teach this also. And finger impression is part of our syllabus. These are artworks of 3.5 to 7 years old. Okay, finger impression is part of our syllabus. We teach festivals, some artworks on good habits, folk arts also, and abstract art. This is landscape with abstract art. We try to cover up festivals, different animals, different poster makings. India is spreading the message of peace. These poster makings also be covered up. Landscapes are helpers drawing because students have this in their syllabus. Using letters, numbers, and basic shapes to keep your teeth clean. Again, a landscape. And this is our helper drawing. We cover up artworks, pasting leaves and all, and a landscape using, this is kacha house kind of houses we try to cover up. Some this kind of figures which are based on stories. Holy, my dream house with chocolate and ice cream. Water world with geometric shape. uh, Panther using letters and numbers, and Lohari, Valentine Day special artwork. Students can use it for making anniversary card, my garden. So, modes of transport we try to cover up, different national symbols we try to cover up. I know this is national tree, banyan tree, national flower, that is lotus flower, national bird, that is the peacock, unity in diversity, World Zebra Day, we covered up baby zebra, and doodle art we cover up. See, this kind of patterns we could make on bird. See, this kind of patterns we can make on bird, different kind of flowers. See, here also the patterns we use, this kind of patterns we could use for making our accessory bird, and this kind of animal also. So these are some artworks of our pre-junior batch. Okay. And now I will show a few artworks of junior batch. Junior batch, it means students of 7 years to 10 years. They come in, we keep them in junior batch category. So in that, the kind of artworks we cover, I will show that. Now we will come on artworks of junior batch. It means 7 years to 10 years. So this is impression art. We made a tree using finger impression. We personify tree. Figure anatomy is part of our syllabus, male and female figure, both Lohri drawing. And we work a lot on figure anatomy. This is Republic Day special, different animals, abstract art, my birthday drawing. This is on for birthday card design. Folk art we cover up. This is Madhubani art, artwork. And we try to cover up different festivals. This is New Year and Christmas drawing. We did pasting of cotton. Pencil shedding also we teach in our junior batch. The pencil shedding is also part of our syllabus. And the World Zebra Day, we covered up the zebra and folk art and my pet. This is a drawing of my pet. Our helpers, this kind of artworks also we cover up. Our helpers drawing clean modes of transport. You can see this modes of clean sources of energy, poster making. And this is tissue paper impression. Impression art is part of our syllabus. This is 1 point perspective drawing with tissue paper impression. Coffee painting is also part of our syllabus in junior batch. Pen art also we try to teach. Pen art is also part of our syllabus, and doodle art and watercolor painting and mixing of colors, plastic crayons we teach, how to merge two colors, life before internet, this kind of topics also we pick up so that students can use it for competition. Our voting right, this is kind of topic students don't understand what to draw. Pencil shedding is part of our syllabus. Face study is part of our syllabus in junior batch. And coffee painting is part of our syllabus. And this is Friendship Day special artwork. This is Rakhi special artwork. This is Independence Day special artwork. Pencil shedding work. Painting with fingers. Hindi Divas special poster making. This is Lord Ganesh Chaturthi special. This is World Tourism Day. This is a topic which students highly demanded and we covered it up. With letters and numbers with step-by-step guidance, we cover up all the artworks. Yeah, these are in front of you. So we learn right from beginning how to develop a structure, what is the way of making, and the coloring and drawing both we taste. So these are some artworks of our junior batch. It means 7 to 10 years old. And now, last but not the least, I will love to show you some artworks of senior batches. So in senior batch, many students, they are preparing for elementary exams. So we try to see that I will remove this from here so that we can actually have space for our artworks. Okay. Yeah, hopefully now you will be able to get full view of the artwork. Yeah. So these are artworks of our senior batch. And a senior batch, it means students of 10 years onwards. And here many students are preparing for elementary exam also. So this is still life drawing. And a pen art is also part of our syllabus. So we teach painting with pen. Pencil shedding is part of our syllabus. And my favorite game, animal anatomy. We try to cover up different animals, how to draw them, what is the way of developing. And underwater world, landscapes, multiple landscapes with waterfall, and we try to cover up. Artists can change the world. And I like this is Janmashtami special, Valentine Day special. Here we learn a couple. Students can use it for making anniversary card. This is doodle art based artwork. It is a folk art and a patachitra art also. This is morning and it is mixed media coloring technique we tried. Pencil shedding. One more time we used um, rainy day drawing for pencil shedding. And here this is Children's Day special. And here again the combination of colors and pencil shedding. This painting is made with fingers, like no use of paintbrush. Completely with fingers, we completed this artwork. Okay, painting with finger. And this is Madhubani art, bird anatomy, animal anatomy, and human anatomy. These all we try to teach in our senior batch. So you can see this is figures, male and female figures. This is butterflies drawing. And welcome to New Year, Diwali special drawing. Again, life before internet. What kind of life we were having. And design in circle with finger impression. So here we personify a tree and using finger impression, we completed. Pencil shedding is also part of our syllabus. In senior batch, I'm talking about. Okay, so pencil shedding. And as I told you, many students are preparing for elementary exam. So in memory drawing, this kind of topics come. This is fate scene. And here you can see this is poster making on how social platforms they are wasting your time. Poster making on clean sources of energy, abstract art with wet and wet technique. This is again one artwork with earbud painting technique. Many times we use little craft also. So here you can see we pasted the flowers of with paperwork. Still life is a subject in an elementary exam, so we cover up that also. This is pen art. This is poster making of unity and diversity. And here, this is Teachers' Day special artwork combination of pencil shedding and colors. This is Valentine Day special artwork, which is based on wet and wet technique. And this is ball pen art. This is coffee painting. Yes, coffee painting is part of our syllabus. And see, this is again a poster making. World Zebra Day, we covered it up. No to plastic bags and yes to paper bags. This poster making we cover up. No to crackers and pollution, how it is killing our earth. Na? And this is Janmashtami special, Shivratri special. Graphic based artwork also we teach. Animal anatomy also we cover up. This is unicorn, how to draw a horse, a journey of an artist, watercolor painting, and so on. If you have any competition, not to worry because there is hardly any topic which we have not covered up. So this is all about our classes. And one more thing I wanted to share with all moms. I will request all moms to be, and if your mom is not with you, please call your mom so that this very important announcement can reach to them. Okay? Yes. So, see, my dear moms, thank you so much, first of all, for your valuable time. After this class session, also, we will stay tuned, and I will love to have your feedback. So here we come up with this kind of offers, especially for the students who want to learn for long run, because long-term learning of drawing is undoubtedly very helpful, improving focus, sharpening your memory, improving your drawing skill, handwriting, and whatnot. So we come up with this kind of plan so that long-term planning, long-term learning could be comfortable and budget friendly for you. So this offer is especially for those who want to learn for long term. This is yearly plan. If you go with, you can see the level of discount at place of 12,000. It is just 6,400, discount of 50%. And same you can see with 6 months. So if you're interested in long term planning and want to secure your seat and take benefit of this discount, you can contact on this number 701 799 7836. Okay, you can contact on this number and you can take benefit of this discount and you can secure your seat quickly. And after class, don't forget to share your artwork on this number. This is my personal WhatsApp number where I review each and every artwork personally. So I will request moms to be with us. And your accessory is looking great. I can see beautifully you completed. And moon, stars, whatnot. You can make many using your own creativity. So now I will request moms to be with us so that we can talk and we can have your feedback also. So today, my dear children, and if we are, like suppose we are 150. So 150, 300 toothbrushes we reuse. So a small step can bring a big change in our environment. Okay. So I will request team members to spotlight moms so that we can talk with them. Yes, I will request team member. Yes, moms, please stay tuned so that we can have word. Yes. So I will request you to unmute yourself. You have that access and share your feedback. And
This meeting कर दूं पक्का?
yeah. Yes, yes, team, please spotlight. Yeah, Kiana. Kiana, do you have your mom with you? Show your accessories, how you made plant accessories.
Yes, show your accessories. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you, ma'am?
I am fine, ma'am, and she is doing very well with you. I am very happy. Thank you
Okay.
for your guidance and your technique. I love.
Thank you.
Actually, I means referred many of my friends about this Art Geo.
Okay, thank you so much. Your love, your trust in us is our treasure, actually.
Yeah, actually, she make very many things with this super every day. My whole house is full of that. I
Acha.
show you
Arre,
that. Yeah, she
she
loves.
did she did so well. Like both accessories are looking so cute. Very
I will
good.
show her other things also. I will send you. Then
Ah,
you will
yeah.
understand what she does. Means the whole day.
Now
So
I'm more than happy that now the mobile is being left behind and creativity is taking its place.
yeah, yeah. She follows YouTube and just watches that and make everything by herself. Means
Wow.
now, yeah,
It shows she's born artist. Like it is something very good. Like she's using time for doing something creative.
yeah. I will
Right.
show you later on.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. And are you happy and satisfied with Arjio classes,
Very
ma'am?
much, very much. I can't. Yeah, she is using the time means very in a productive way. So I am very happy.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And please do share today's craft also. She did
Yeah,
really
I
wonderful.
already shared it in your
Okay,
personal message.
okay, okay. You did really wonderful work, my dear. Cute little frog and bird. Very good. And now try to see what else we can make. I will definitely try to cover a few more accessories with clay so that we can make our garden colorful using waste toothbrushes. Okay? You did wonderful. I will request other moms also to be with us.
Alisa, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah. Speak, Anita. Speak.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Show your work. What you did today. Wow. So cute. So beautiful. Enjoy it?
Yes.
Okay. And now you're going to use your toothbrushes for making such accessories, right?
Yes, cha.
Okay. Your mom is with you?
No, cha.
Okay. Okay. So you
She's
just keep.
not there in the home.
Okay, but I will love to have your feedback, and I'm more than happy to know that you enjoyed it. Very well then, my dear. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Srinidhi, can you please unmute yourself?
Hello, ma'am. How are you? Okay, unmute.
Yes, I will request other moms also. I can see Srinidhi and I can see Shritika, Kola. Yes, please, ma'am, try to unmute yourself. We will love to have your feedback. You both
Hello.
have. Hello, how
How
are
are
you,
you,
ma'am?
ma'am?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, good. Actually, Srinidhi is liking it too much. Actually, she has started last week the course with you, the painting course, and now I come across this course, and yeah, she loved it, and she has, yeah,
Arre, wow, so
yeah,
beautiful, so
yeah.
cute. And I think this is best use of toothbrushes. Like it will
Mm-mm.
not go to landfill and
Mm,
something creative in a garden to pop up colors with pop up colors. It's
yeah.
beautiful work.
I really appreciate your work because nowadays kids and all moms and dad they are always with the computer and all, but these creative things will help them to grow. Yeah, for future also. Thank you so much for this platform.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And
Yeah,
please do share the craft of child
yeah,
on
definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And
Have a nice day.
thank you so much, and lots of blessings to you and all at home. Thank you. You did excellent work, my dear. Wonderful. I will request Shritika. Shritika, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Acha, Shritika is child's name. Show yours. Oh my God, so beautiful. And pink bird is really looking great in your garden. It will add a pop-up color, right?
Yeah, yeah. We've already planted it in our pot, ma'am.
Acha, okay. And
Really enjoying your classes. Saturday.
yes, and hopefully after today's class, no toothbrush will go in landfill now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very, very true.
She did wonderful, excellently and neatly. She completed, ma'am. It was a long span of time when they are sitting joyfully. They are able to do.
Yes, yes, very much.
Okay, Shritika, you did excellent. Huh? Very good, my dear.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Now, lovely. And decorate your garden with this, and you can even gift it to your friends also. You can take a planter, you can put these accessories, that will look like a tray garden, and you can gift it to someone. Okay?
Okay,
Wonderful.
ma'am.
Very good. I will request others also, like Khushbu Verma and Khushbu Maurya, two Khushbus we have. Please try to unmute yourself so that we can have your feedback.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
This is Yaksh this side. He has made it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It's beyond praises. And see, this planter is looking so cute after these accessories.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful work, my dear. And that's why we started with very simple one. And
Yes,
next,
ma'am.
after a few classes, we will learn few more little like folds and hopefully now toothbrushes will be used this ways.
Hmm. This is his first class, ma'am, and he's enjoyed a lot.
Okay. But the work is really excellent and this planter is looking
Thank you,
amazing.
ma'am.
Thank
Very
you.
well done, my dear. Great. Do share your picture with your craft, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's beautiful work. I will request Khushbu Maurya also to unmute. Please, ma'am, unmute yourself. Hello. Yes, I can hear you. Hello, ma'am.
हेलो मैम
Hello, how are you?
मैम फाइन मैम ये देवांश मौर्य नाम है मेरे बच्चे का
अच्छा, दिखाओ देवांश, आपने कैसे बनाया
बेटा
है,
दिखाओ
देखें
please।
जरा।
आपने देखा आज फर्स्ट डे है इनका पहले भी
बहुत
एक बार
सुंदर।
join किया था हमने
इन्होंने बहुत सुंदर बनाया। वेरी गुड।
मैम मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहती हूँ बीच में एक दो बार आप देवांश का नाम ले लेंगी तो उसे अच्छा लगेगा बार बार बोलता है कि मैडम मेरा नाम नहीं लेती है तो
अच्छा, नहीं मैं कोशिश
हाँ
करूंगी। एक्चुअली मैम बीच में ये चीज शुरू की थी हमने, तो उससे पता है क्या
जी
होने लग गया कि जो भी बच्चा छूट जाता था ना वो बड़ा डिसहार्टन हो जाता था।
यस यस मैम हाँ
इसीलिए मैं अब ये पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप नंबर जहां मैं हर
ओके
बच्चे का आर्टवर्क पर्सनली रिव्यू करती हूँ और मैं सारे बच्चों को वॉइस मैसेज से, जो बच्चे हमसे जुड़े हैं वो जानते भी होंगे, हर बच्चे को मैं अपने वॉइस मैसेज से फीडबैक देती हूँ ताकि कनेक्टेड फील हो बच्चे को कि मैम मुझे स्पेशली मेरा नाम लेके ये बोल रहे हैं, है ना। तो देवांश
जी
कहाँ हो आप? दिखा, मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहे। देवांश आप एक बहुत अच्छे आर्टिस्ट हैं, ठीक है। मैं कोशिश करूंगी आपका नाम लेने के लिए, लेकिन आपको बिल्कुल डिसहार्टन नहीं होना है, ठीक है। अगर मैम आपका नाम नहीं भी लेती आप मुझसे बिल्कुल बात कर सकते हैं इस नंबर पर मैसेज के थ्रू, है ना, कॉल पे नहीं, क्योंकि हम इसी नंबर से क्लास लेते हैं। तो आप मुझसे कभी भी ओके। और आपने बहुत अच्छा क्राफ्ट बनाया, वेरी गुड बेटा, एंजॉय किया
ओके
आपने। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू। Okay, I will request Advait Agrawal. Please try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Actually, it was like instantly I received this pre-class link. So
Achha.
it was first class for him. And unfortunately, he didn't have that clay for day. So he just watched today. He didn't do anything.
Okay, but not to worry, you will get the recording, and a recording you will find on our YouTube channel.
Yeah, of
So
course.
using that, you can do it. Okay, Advait? So don't get
I saw
disheartened.
this link just 1 hour earlier, and I just asked to him, Advait, we got the link. If you wish to join the class, you could. So he said, yes, mom, I will do. Okay. So, and then during the class, he asked me, Mama, I don't have clay. I said, okay, as of now, just watch and try to do what else they are instructing. Then I
Yeah.
will bring for you some clays and everything. So sorry for today because we don't have any idea regarding.
Yeah. We are conducting this kind of class, which is completely based on best out of waste. Yeah, and one more thing which I forgot to share with children, like if you have any best out of waste project, then you can take a planter and you can make this kind of accessories out of toothbrushes. And this could be a best out of waste project also. And Advait, don't get disheartened, okay, my dear? You can finish it and don't forget to share your craft with me afterwards, okay? Yes. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And please do share that craft of Advait
Yeah,
afterwards.
of course. Maybe he will start his classes by today onwards. Then for sure he will do good.
Okay,
Thank
yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
you. Actually, we registered yesterday only.
Okay,
So that's fine.
okay.
Like my one of friend suggested me, she shared the link, and I directly just I didn't took any demo classes, and I directly enrolled him for the class for the 1 month as for now. So
Okay. Okay. So I'm very thankful and grateful to Almighty God that amazing creative students. Like I remember the lines of very big artists that it's very difficult to think and draw like artists, like children, because they think boundless. And I'm happy that I'm getting this opportunity to get connected with amazing artists of the world, younger ones, and wonderful, like beautiful work
yes,
with pencils
while
for doing.
we received this tutorial video on your link. Okay, so he draw by himself by
But
watching your tutorial video,
But
and
efforts are really lovely, and he beautifully played with tones of colors.
he draw this as well.
Very good. Beautiful. Advait, it clearly shows that your hand is quite stable and creative. Very good. Ma'am, please do share the works on my personal WhatsApp number also. I will love to
Oh,
review.
sure, sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Wonderful
Thank you.
work. Thank you. Yes, I will request Neeru Gaba. Neeru Gaba, try to unmute yourself. We have Myra also, Myra Malik. Yes, Neeru, show your work.
Yes, ma'am. Hitanshi is there, ma'am.
Okay, Hitanshi is so cute. It's looking so cute. And now you are going to place it in your planter. And a lovely work. Very good. Ma'am, please share your feedback also. How was the class and
But
what you...
he is already taking your class,
Ach-
art class. So
ach-
I have one question from my side कि अगर हमने simultaneously ये दोनों classes लेनी है, so do you have any discount system?
Like 2 classes, it means 2 batches.
Yes, ये craft की तो I think so अलग होगी ना उस
नहीं,
art वाली
craft
class.
this today's craft class is for free of cost. You can invite your friends, relatives, everyone. This is
जी
kind of but in regular class, I think if you take suppose this is 1 year, na? So 6 months of
जी
that, 6 months of that. So collectively, I think you can talk on this number, है ना? On this
okay,
number,
fine.
and yeah, your queries will be settled.
Do
Yeah.
you have any craft classes also? Separate craft classes or is it
Mm,
merged in the art classes?
This is once actually we are doing, and in some few of our drawing classes also we add little craft, but recent and craft we have every Sunday. If you feel that child
Okay.
want to learn, then you can take help of our Argio shop. This is our application, and there
Okay.
are craft classes videos are available. We conducted last year. I conducted all in one in that project cover, tray garden, clay art, leaf art, fabric painting, whatnot. These all videos are available on our Ardio, our website, that is ardio.shop. So you can take help of that and you can give it to child so that child can learn different kind of crafts using them.
Okay. Fine. From where we can get the videos, ma'am? Your
You will
YouTube.
when you will search on Google and you will search ardio.shop, so our application
Okay.
will get open and there you can search and find out.
Okay. Over there, you also describe like this.
Yeah, same. These are my recorded classes actually.
Okay, fine.
These are
Okay.
now like I'm taking pauses. These are classes actually, and the videos are available there.
So is it payable or free of cost, ma'am?
No, these are payable on Arjo shop, and the sessions which we did free. And like today's
Okay.
session is free, so it is free of cost. So the sessions which we
Okay.
did free, those are free there, and the sessions which we did in paid class, so very minimum amount, very like absolutely minimum amount. On that you can purchase those classes.
Oh, fine. Thank you so
Okay,
much, ma'am.
thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I will request Anvesha. Fortunately we have dad also, and Anvesha, your craft is looking so cute, little frog and cute little bird. Yes, sir. Please try to unmute yourself. We will love to have your feedback. Hello, sir. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm good, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
I'm good. Thank you so much, sir.
Ma'am, actually, Anvesha is very much curious about this class, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, she is making many more craft works before earlier this class.
Acha.
She has also made this mirror.
Wow,
which
very
is-
good. So beautiful. So beautiful. Very good.
She's also taking your drawing classes right now.
Acha, okay. So what is your experience, sir, without drawing classes?
Ma'am, this is very much, ma'am, very much helpful, ma'am. Right now, she has taken 2 classes,
Okay.
but it is very much very beneficial, ma'am.
Acha, okay. So she's enjoying, like, you have to pressurize or joyfully she's attending the class?
मैम ये बहुत ही इंजॉय कर रही है मैम क्लासेस को, मतलब शी इज वेरी मच, मतलब मैं वर्ड्स क्या कहूँ मैम, ये ऑलरेडी इसको ये सब चीजें बहुत पसंद है मैम। मैं एक ऐसी
अच्छा।
क्लास में कोई सोच रहा था कि मतलब कोई क्लास मुझे ऐसी मिलेगी जो इसके कुछ थोड़ा सा इसकी मतलब टाइमिंग को इस तरीके से कैलकुलेट कर पाए।
हाँ,
तो ये
very-
बहुत अच्छी क्लासेस में मतलब ज्वाइन की है इसने, नो डाउट।
मैं-
और ये आज भी
एक्चुअली ये जो टाइम है ना, इस वक्त बच्चों की एनर्जी और पोटेंशियल पीक पर होता है, तो अगर इसी वक्त एक सही गाइडेंस मिल जाए, और सर इसीलिए हम जो यानी हम अपनी बेड टाइम स्टोरीज के साथ भी आए हैं, ताकि इस एज के जो बच्चे हैं जिनकी लाइफ से बेड टाइम स्टोरीज कहीं मिसिंग है, तो हर दिन हम हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर एक नई स्टोरी बच्चों के लिए पब्लिश करते हैं रात को 8 बजे। तो मैं वो स्टोरी बोलती हूँ ताकि बच्चे सोते वक्त एक बेड टाइम स्टोरी को सुने। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि बच्चे जॉयफुली, यानी हमारी क्लास का टाइम ड्यूरेशन भी काफी बड़ा है, और बच्चे जॉयफुली अगर ऑनलाइन क्लास में बैठते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, तो ये सचमुच उनके अंदर की क्रिएटिव आर्टिस्ट को दिखाता है। एंड आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी टू नो कि बच्चे जॉयफुली अब क्लासेस अटेंड करते हैं। वेरी हैप्पी टू नो दिस, एंड सर प्लीज इनके क्राफ्ट को जरूर मेरे साथ शेयर कीजिएगा मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर।
श्योर मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू। और मैं देख पा रही हूँ कि अवंत कशा, वाओ, लवली नेम। और आपने इतने प्यारे तरीके से बॉटल, एक वेस्ट बॉटल में इन्होंने जेड प्लांट्स लगाया। प्लीज मैम अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को, प्लीज ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। और उसमें उन्होंने आज की एक्सेसरीज लगाई है, क्यूट छोटा सा हमारा फ्रॉग लगा है। Hello,
ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. She's enjoying your classes a lot, and we are very grateful to you that you have whatever. I never thought that my daughter will be very much creative, but I just there are free demo classes. No, ma'am, I joined and she was doing very well. And thank
Acha.
you so much for teaching her online. That too, ma'am, for kids like this. No teacher will teach. Recently, I have joined calligraphy classes, but you know, I was not happy, ma'am. I was not satisfied. Okay,
Acha.
so ma'am, do you teach any handwriting classes for the students?
We have teachers for that. And on our Arjo shop, I told na, we have Arjo shop there. Hindi and English handwriting classes are available on very minimum cost. And they're like good renowned teacher, right from scratch, they're teaching how to hold your pen. What is the, why to hold pen this way is, what is the way of making your lines. So I think you can try once. Classes of our Arjo shop, handwriting improvement classes are available there. Right now, we don't have any teacher connected with us in our Arjo class, but we are looking for a reliable teacher who can cover up this handwriting improvement also. Recently, we don't have.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, actually, she I will be out, no, ma'am. So phone will be not phone will be with me. So normally she watches your recorded sessions and she does all her artwork.
अरे अच्छा,
So
okay.
that is the reason we send all the pictures at a time to you for the feedback.
And you must be getting my feedback as well.
Yes, ma'am. Your recorded messages we are getting.
Yes, I'm reviewing each and every artwork, and she's doing great. And the craft which she created today, and using a bottle, like everything is best out of waste. So
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
very happy. You did wonderful work. And ma'am, are you happy with Artgeo classes, drawing
Yes,
classes?
ma'am. Very much. I am very much satisfied, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And I want to extend this RGO classes also, ma'am. Next this term also for more 6 months.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And craft is wonderful. Keep sharing the artworks with me always.
Thank you, ma'am. God bless you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And your trust, your love is a treasure. Thanks for your support always.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Fortunately, we have a few dads also with us. So it is Inaya Zafar. Yes, sir. Please try to unmute yourself. Inaya Zafar.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Hello,
afternoon.
sir. How are you?
Yeah,
Good
good.
afternoon, sir.
So she's enjoying a lot, and she's also attending your drawing classes.
Wow. Blue frog is really looking great. Wow. So many you created. Wonderful.
So this is one of her favorite activities.
Students love to do that. And she really
Yes.
created so neatly and beautifully. Now look, find out a planter for you and just place them, and you will see they will add on to the beauty.
We can't get one.
Sir, what is your experience with our classes?
It has been, I mean, she's attending drawing classes for last few weeks. I
Okay.
think for 3 or 4 weeks as of now. And then, as I said, it is one of her prime hobbies, and then she's enjoying it a lot. And I think today's art class also, she was very excited since morning when she knew that there is a craft class. So she has been preparing for this, and you see, I mean, she's very I mean, she very engaged in everything that she does. I mean, even if there are no classes, I mean, half of her day when she is not in the school, it is holiday, half of her day goes into all such activities.
Wow, beautiful. And I'm more than happy that she's dedicating her time for doing something creative and wonderful work. Very good. Sir, are you sharing the artworks with me on my personal WhatsApp number?
No.
We'll do that.
So please do that, because this way she will get connected. My appreciations and suggestions, both I will be able to share with her, because this is the only way we can get connected in online class.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure, we'll do that.
Yeah. Sir, are you satisfied with Artgeo classes, drawing classes, and
Yes,
our
yes,
efforts?
absolutely.
Wow.
I'm taking photo for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
So thank you very much for all the hard work and keeping kids, I mean, very engaged, and I mean, they're learning a lot. So I see that, and stories are making a good difference.
Okay, that's amazing. And if like they're absorbing something from those stories, I think the efforts are successful. And that's why I'm coming up with a new story every day. I'm publishing bedtime stories for kids only, so that they can have a good mental diet.
Yes.
So if she's fond, she's fond of stories, so every day at 8 on my YouTube channel, I'm publishing a new story in 2 languages, Hindi and English.
Okay,
So she
what's
can
the channel name?
Artgeo online classes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Please connect her on this number so that we
Okay.
can. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I will request Vidit Jain and Adriti Sharma. Yes, try to unmute yourself, Adriti Sharma, Vidit Jain. You both have this access. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, please do share your experience.
मैम अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा, आपको दिखाओ आपने क्या आर्टवर्क बनाया है आद्रिति, देखिए एक बार. अरे वाह, बहुत सुंदर बनाया है. वेरी गुड. आपने एंजॉय किया? आपको सारे इंस्ट्रक्शन समझ में आए आद्रिति?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो इसी तरह से आप वेस्ट चीजों से कुछ कुछ बनाकर, है ना, हमें एनवायरनमेंट को बचाना है. ठीक है, ठीक है मैम. प्लीज डू शेयर द क्राफ्ट ऑफ हर.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I will request Vidit And then we have Mania with it. Try to unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am.
Hello. How are you, beta?
Ma'am, my mother is not with me because she's sleeping.
It's okay. I will love to have your feedback. How was the class? You enjoyed or not? Instructions were clear or
I
not?
enjoyed it, but I faced a little problem, but I did it. But
Acha.
it was like I made this.
Wow, very good. Lovely efforts and beautiful outcome. Like you were not having white for making eyes, so you tried brown. But it has turned up so well. Great. Okay.
And ma'am, I made some drawings too. Like I make every day one drawing.
Areva. So please share on this number which is on screen. I know this is my personal WhatsApp number. Take a click, or you just hold your artworks and tell your mama to take your click with you. And I will love to review your each artwork. Okay with it?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm more than happy to know that you enjoyed the class. May God bless you, beta. Thank you. And now I will switch on to Arya Vadmare. Please try to unmute yourself. Hello, Arya.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, fine, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Please do share your experience.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, Arya is doing your classes from last 2 years. She has done junior batch. Then she this year she has enrolled for senior batch also. And her drawing skills are really improving, and she loves the drawing a lot, and she loves you very much. Yes.
It's really my pleasure that I have this blessings of love of children, even parents. Like this is blessings of Almighty God.
Yes,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
She learned many of techniques from you, and she is doing doing her drawings very nicely. But it's on her mood, not on regular basis.
No, she's a regular one. Like when I turn on my screen, so she's the first one I'm able to see. But that discipline, hai na, like every day she's doing wholeheartedly, she's listening, and sometimes it's okay. But whenever you feel like you can cover it up afterwards, okay, Arya? Because every class we are learning something new, beta. So it could be helpful in some competitions. And if you appear after 12th for elementary exam, it is going to help you out, okay?
Yeah.
And,
Ma'am, I want to ask you one question that from when we will be able to start the elementary exams?
12 after doing 12. Like after doing 12, she will be eligible because IGD Bombay, it means intermediate grade. So your age should be according. So after doing 12th and after doing like IGD Bombay exam that is conducted by Maharashtra government. So after doing that, she will be eligible for applying as drawing teacher even in government schools also.
Ma'am, means after 12 standard or after 12 years?
After 12th standard.
Okay.
Yeah. But moms can try. Like I really want that as plan B. Mom can try because except geometry, we are covering up all the subjects. I pick up few question papers of last 5 years and I'm trying to cover them up in my regular classes. So for moms also, it's very much beneficial. Like if they feel that because after clearing their exams, these days the demand of art teacher is very much high. So they can, as career option, like they can go for it.
During my class, during my school time, I have given one basic exam before the elementary.
Yeah. That is primary level. Yeah. So you can.
That.
So, ma'am, you can try for elementary exams, IGD level exam also.
Okay. I will try, ma'am.
Yes.
Sure.
And ma'am, are you satisfied with Arjio classes?
Yes, we are very satisfied and just enrolling her every year. Yes.
Thank you so much. And the trust and love of yours is actually the treasure of Arjio classes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And one more thing, she has won her own between nearly between the 400 to 500 students in her school at second prize. After her drawing teacher, her number is there in drawing.
Wow.
Yes.
Arre wow, kya baat hai, Arya. Please share this victory on WhatsApp. We will love
I have already shared last year only, ma'am.
Acha, last year. Yes, sir. So whatever she is winning, share it with us. We will love to share it on different platforms.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much for for everything. Like it's treasure of our class. And this craft is also great, Arya. Very well done. And I can see beautiful craft in hands of Anvi. Anvi Baranwal, so cute, lovely, cute little frog and a cute bird. Anvi, try to unmute yourself. You enjoyed, my dear? Yeah. You enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am.
And instructions were clear. Independently, you were able to make.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you did really wonderfully. Now place them in any planter, and you will see its magic will happen. Okay. Now we will take last feedback from Tejaswini Reddy, and then we will wind up our class because it's too long for kids. है ना? तो Tejaswini, try to unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Tejaswini. You enjoyed the session? Unmute yourself. Okay, I think some technical problem you're facing. Show your work, show your craft you did today. So cute and beautiful. Now you're going to use all your toothbrushes for making such beautiful accessories, okay? Okay, very well done. And I think it's too long for children. And they're waiting for since long. And all children who I can see your lovely faces. Show your thumbs up and your craft. Yes, Devanshi, Jovita, beautiful. Arre wow, you placed in a rubber plant also. Devanshi. And Anvesha, so cute. Beautiful work you did. And a certificate, arre wow, please share it on WhatsApp, Devanshi. I will love to share it on different platforms. Jovita, beautifully you completed your craft. Wonderfully, wonderful it is. As a pencil top also you can use it. Manaya, I can see your mom also. Try to unmute yourself, ma'am. We will have your feedback and then we will wind up. If you can unmute yourself. Manaya, your what is the correct pronunciation of your name? Try to unmute yourself. Manaya.
Yes.
Arre wow, beautiful name. Yes, show your craft, how you did it. I want to see. Arre wow, lovely and amazing. Beautiful. And do share it on WhatsApp, okay? And you enjoyed the class, Manaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, you did very good and such lovely drawing with pencil shading. Do share this also, okay? I will love to share my feedback for this, okay? So this is all about, and with this we'll wind up class. And thank you so much for being with us. And today, see, we reuse so many waste toothbrushes. Take care. Bye-bye. Lots of blessings.